Welcome to our Foxdale Forest Clubhouse. This building is a full-spec green building. We've built our clubhouse with Kalalushi clay bricks. It's a clay brick sourced from the north of Zambia. The bricks are a fully certified green brick. They're fired with sawdust, not coal or charcoal, and the sawdust is a waste product from the sawmills up in the Kalalushi area. Bricks also have excellent thermal properties, so they keep the building cooler in summer and warmer in winter. We've also chosen not to paint the building or to plaster it, and we've kept the gauge between the bricks as thin as possible. This has been to reduce the amount of cement and mortar that's used in the building, because 5% of the carbon dioxide emissions in the atmosphere are generated through the manufacture of cement. And I think the building literally just looks more and more beautiful with age. So we do highly encourage homeowners to build their homes using the clay bricks. So the lights within our clubhouse are all 4-watt LED lights. They have a lovely warm glow with a beautiful light. Also, all the ceiling fans are their 65-watt ceiling fan. We've chosen not to have any air conditioning within this building because that consumes large volumes of electricity, but the ceiling fans can run off of our solar system and also have a much lower consumption of electricity. Also, all the lights are connected to our solar system. We've connected all the essential loads to the solar system, and then the non-essential loads are then connected to ZESCO. So this building is a hybrid building. So the essential loads that are connected to the solar system are the lights, ceiling fans. We have a TV, the router, a server, and then in the kitchen where we have more inductive loads like a kettle and urn and an electric oven, those are connected to the grid. So generally a hybrid home works very well, and as well as in our clubhouse here. We do have a 35 kVA solar system connected to our clubhouse. We don't use a generator for backup power within this building, and it works really well. Literally, when we do have load shedding within the building, you won't see a flicker of the lights because it all runs through the inverter, and that all works really well. We've used lots of local furniture to furnish the clubhouse. So this is beautiful local mukwa wood. We've worked with craftsmen from Huseko, which is the local wood market in Zambia. And we've worked with them to make literally all of this beautiful furniture here. My mum lives up on Lake Tanganyika, so I sourced a number of old boats from the north, brought them down, and we've used this lovely boat wood in lots of the interiors and the furnishings around our clubhouse. You take a look up at the roof over there, you can see what looks like 3 windmills. So the one in the middle is the original windmill from this farm 32 of Kabanana. And when we took the windmill down because it was very old and it wasn't working, and I wanted to repurpose it. So that's our center feature. And then we worked with our fantastic welder who then used the original windmill as the design and fabricated two slightly smaller windmill chandeliers, and that forms, I'd say, a bit of the masterpiece inside our clubhouse. Also, literally everything has been made here using our team and local craftsmen. From the curtain rails, they've been made at the back by our welder Joseph. The lovely bookshelf that you see here, that towers really high up, was also made by our team. We used our local tailor Calvin, who made the beautiful curtains in the area, in the clubhouse, and then also just the doors and the windows. They were also made by our team. So I think what's amazing about Zambia is what people can do with their hands, and just working with craftsmen, giving them some ideas and watching the quality. But you can make incredible things in Zambia just locally with our fantastic workforce here. Here you can also see these are some chairs that are sourced from Malawi. We call them our Malawian chairs, and so sourcing things from the region, and then things like this, these cushions, they're made by, this fabric is woven by a lady called Martha. She has a small production. She works with women, and they make these beautiful handmade fabrics, and we've used them all around the clubhouse. But literally all the furniture that you see here is all locally made. You can see at the back of the bar, there's some the bar display. Those are old fish pallets, and those I also sourced up in Umpulungu, where my mum lives, up in the north of Zambia. We've also used some old mortars for light fittings. So just repurposing our items and adding that sort of quirky, tongue-in-cheek look and feel.